Hey, so thanks for taking a minute and clicking on the link. I'm really excited to walk you through my office. My wife and I built this office about 6 years ago. And if you did click on the link, you know we have an offer going right now. My whole goal, so you know my purpose is I want to help as many people as possible reach their God-given health potential naturally. And so I take care of patients who have chronic issues like headaches and neck problems and sciatica and migraines, even cluster headaches and tingling in the fingers. And I'll ask them, usually when I meet them on the first day, I'll say, hey, so I know you've had these problems for a long time. Why did you never take action with your health? Because no one admitted they didn't need to take action, and they would say, you know, really it was I just didn't pick up the phone. You know, it was either, you know, I didn't get paid yet, or I just didn't take that next action step. And so what I want to help you guys with today, not only is show you around our office, I want to break down as many barriers as possible that are preventing you from reaching your maximum health potential. I have one goal. It's not just that you meet your goals, you achieve them and you smash them in the face. That's really what we're looking for here. So without further ado, if you have questions, you can click the link below. You can sign up for an offer to come into our office so I can see how we can help you, okay? We did newly renovate this office just a few months ago. Looks absolutely amazing, and it's really catered so that every single thing that you need as far as achieving your health goals can absolutely be met inside of this office. Come on with me, let's go take a tour. So this is our amazing front desk, by the way, before I go too far. We have 3 amazing team members here. The whole goal is that all your visits here go on efficiently. We don't want you guys wasting time sitting and waiting for half an hour before we take care of you. Once we evaluate you and start working on you, in your visits in our office, you're in and out in 15 to 30 minutes very efficiently, also doing the highest quality corrective care protocols that we know today, okay? Over here in this side is our corrective and rehabilitative area. We have you do exercises, and all of our patients do exercises before and after the adjustment. What research shows now is that if we do that properly, it helps set your adjustment so it lasts longer and has more long-term changes and benefits to the spine. So we can help to slow or stop the aging process, help stop or reverse arthritis from happening in the body, so that not just for the next week or two you feel good, for the next 10, 20, 30 years we're setting you up for outstanding health by taking care of problems that usually on their own progress and get worse and worse over time, okay? So we use standing traction to loosen the muscles and ligaments around your neck before we adjust you. With the vibration platforms, these vibrate at 30 hertz. They're one of the only treatments that have been shown to help not only correct the spine, but increase and improve bone health and bone density, okay? Come on with me, let me show you the adjusting rooms. So in our office, we have 4 different specific adjusting bays. All of them have sliding barn doors for privacy. So if you don't want someone to see you get adjusted, obviously, you can close the door. Inside of each of these rooms, anytime that we take care of someone, we do very specific testing on them before we even work on them. What that allows us to do is have a picture of their spine up while we actually work on them. There's no guessing done in our office. We adjust and realign the spine very specifically to every person's x-rays. And so when we're doing it, we know that we're giving people the best adjustment every time. And we have a team of 4 doctors in this office, 3 corrective care doctors, a soft tissue and rehabilitation specialist. So whether it's an injury that bothers you, whether it's chronic postural problems, whether you sit at a desk too long or have a job that just won't stop beating you up, we have a different doctor or a different treatment protocol that can help you individually get better and get the best results possible, okay? Let's head through here. Let's come through here, we'll see another one over here. Again, same type of technology working. And then we'll hop right back in here. I've got something really cool I want to show you guys. So, just a question: if you guys have ever been to a doctor and they maybe, let's say they've evaluated you. Let's just say, for example, that you have headaches. This is a patient of mine, Tara, who came into my office with headaches, and she had been to doctors before. They had even taken X-rays on her neck because she had headaches that would radiate from her neck up into her back, or up into her head. They would also radiate down her back and then into her hands and fingertips. She'd have chronic neck pain. She was a dental assistant, so she spent all day looking down. I know a lot of us do that. We're on computers, we're texting, and our heads start to shift forward. And so she said, yeah, doctors took x-rays on me. They said my spine was in bad shape. My question was always, well, what did they do about it? And she would say, well, they would do some treatments and it would feel better, but then it would always come back. You know, in our office, success and true health is not just about you feeling better. If you look at the root word of health, it's H-E-A-L, which is heal. True health means your body is healing and functioning better. So oftentimes from looking down, having traumas and accidents, our neck should have a nice curve and it starts to straighten out. I can easily show you that if you're looking at me from the side and I'm looking forward all day, where my neck should be curved like this, oftentimes this will happen. And the same thing happened on Tara. You can see right here, there is no curve whatsoever in her neck. She's got a very straightened curvature in her neck. And here's where we get to see miracles happen and we get to see people come alive when it comes to their health, is we started taking care of her and adjusting her. And not just moving her spine, but repositioning it so her body would function better. Within a matter of weeks, she started to feel better. Her tingling in her fingers got better, her back pain lessened. She had headaches, but they weren't radiating up into her skull anymore. They were just sitting there. By 8 weeks, they were even better. By 12 weeks, they were completely gone. And we took another x-ray on her spine and we could actually measure the results and improvement. She went from having no curve at all in her neck to having a nice, healthy arc and curvature in her neck. And so when it comes to you and your health, we don't guess, we test. And we want to make sure that every single person who comes in here has the best chance to get healthy and get to their maximum health potential naturally. So I'd love to have you guys come into our office. I'd love to be able to evaluate you personally, or have anyone on my team help you so that we can get your goals met and help you live this year and the rest of your years in great and outstanding health. This is a limited time offer. It's the same offer that we give to our patients who call in from the radio. So every week when we do a show, we usually open up the lines for just a few callers. For a limited time, we're going to open up to everyone who's listening to this or watching this so that you guys can partake in getting to your best health ever as well. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, send us a message. We look forward to seeing from you guys soon. Bye-bye.